Hi friends, welcome to Git and GitHub tutorial video series. In this video we will see installing Git on our machine and then some of the basic commands. Let's get started. So to install Git, we can go to this URL gitsem.com. So there you would see that once you hit into this, uh, you can see this download options, and where you will find that for operating system Mac, Windows, Linux, and if you are using Windows, then there is an option here to download the exe file. So once you download the exe file for your machine, then click on it. It will get installed. So those are pretty easy steps to get this installed. So we'll not go into the detail of the installation. In my machine it is already got installed, and in case if you face any issues or queries, please post your questions. We will try to answer as soon as possible. Okay, so once you install Git in your machine, and you can click in anywhere, right click, so you would see these two options, get Git bash here and Git GUI here. So if you're seeing these two options, then the Git got installed successfully, right? Okay, so let me open this, and once you open this, you would see a Git command window here, and so we would see some of the basic commands, to create a folder, to create a file, and then rename it, delete it. So these are not specific to Git, but these are basic commands, and it would be helpful if you know this. If you are already aware of this, you can skip this and go to the next video, which is specific to Git. These are the basic commands. So let's say pwd. This is a command which shows up what is the current directory we are in, and then cd dot which is to navigate to the folders. It goes to one level up, so it goes to the C drive. We were in the projects, so to go to the particular folder, cd, and give the folder name. So now we are in C projects. Let's type pwd to know that we are in the projects directory. Okay, fine. So we have to create a folder to have our files. So in order to create that, mkdir and the folder name, my new folder. Enter. As you can see, that folder got created, my new folder, and so we will go into that folder, my new folder. Yes, we were into that. So to create a new file, touch and file name, test1.txt. okay, so the file got created. Let's see it got created or not. Yes, we are able to see that test1.txt. so touch is the command for that, and ls is the command to list whatever files are there under that directory. And if you want to rename the file name, mv, and what is the old file name, which means that current file name, and then new file name. Okay, so the file name is test1, test1.txt, and new test.txt. yeah, so as you can see that this file name got renamed. And another command is like to delete this. If you want to delete this file, rm, and then file name, so it is new test.txt. okay, and it got deleted. So if you want to clear this window, clear, it would clear the window. Yeah, so we have seen these basic commands which would be helpful, to further level, which and we learn this git command. We need to create a folder and files. So this would be helpful. And so in this video we have seen that installing git in our machine and some of the basic commands. In our next video we will see the git commands. And yeah, thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.